In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roposo to Shopify. This connection can truly enhance your online store's capabilities, allowing for streamlined management of products and sales. Let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in this process. To begin with, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Shopify account. Having this ready and accessible will make the integration process effortless. Ensure that you have your store's dashboard in front of you. Familiarizing yourself with the layout of the Shopify interface can help make the connection procedure much smoother and allow you to follow along without any hiccups. Next, you'll need to access the Apps section in Shopify. This is where all integrations and add-ons reside. On the Shopify dashboard, look for the option that says Apps. Click it, and you'll be redirected to a page showcasing all the potential apps you can integrate with your store, as well as any that you are currently using. It's a great place to discover tools that can further optimize your business operations. Once you're in the Apps section, the next step is to visit the Shopify App Store. There's usually a button or link that takes you directly to the Shopify App Store from the Apps section. The App Store is a treasure trove of functionalities you can search for almost any tool here. For our purpose, we're specifically looking for Roposo, which you'll need to type in the search bar. Once you see Roposo in the search results, click on it. Now that you've found the Roposo app, the next move is to add it to your Shopify store. You'll see an option that says Add App on the Roposo page. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. It's very straightforward because Shopify apps are designed to integrate with your store seamlessly. However, do ensure you understand any additional permissions or settings you might need to adjust for optimal use. After you've added Roposo, you'll need to complete the setup within the app itself. Typically, this process involves signing in with your Roposo account credentials. Make sure you have these on hand to avoid any delays. Once logged in, follow any prompts or guides that the app provides to finish the configuration. This often includes customizing settings to suit your store's needs, ensuring it functions in a way that aligns with your business objectives. Finally, after setup is complete, it's essential to test the integration to ensure everything is working as planned. Check that your products are syncing correctly between Shopify and Roposo and monitor any connected features such as sales tracking or inventory updates. If you encounter any issues, you can always refer to Roposo's support resources or Shopify's Help Center for detailed assistance. And there you have it, a fully enabled connection between Roposo and Shopify. By integrating these two platforms, you can enjoy a more efficient and cohesive management strategy for your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!